Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you all backup methods on the HONOR X70i. Okay, so we need to open up our settings first. In here we need to scroll down into the bottom and then click on System and Updates. In here, click on Backup and Restore, and let's begin with the data backup above. In here we have two options. We can use the external storage or the HONOR suite. I'm gonna show you the external storage first. So in here we need to plug in into our phone the memory card or the USB storage. I have the USB storage in my case, so simply plug it in. Now wait a little bit. Now you can see that the USB storage is available. Now click on backup. In here select the things that you are interested in, or you can also simply click on select all. Okay, now when everything is selected, click on backup. Now for your security, backup data needs to be encrypted with a password. You will need to enter this password each time you backup and restore your data. If you forget it, you won't be able to restore your data. So create the password that you will remember. Otherwise, you won't be able to restore. So create your password, and you have also the instruction below that it must contain 8 to 32 characters long and contain a mix of digits, uppercase letters and lowercase letters. So let's use big letter, small letter and some numbers, let's say. Alright, same thing below. And then simply click on next. Okay, now the hint. Okay, then click on done. And now as you can see, the backupping process has started. It shouldn't take that long because I don't have much data on my device. Okay, 98%. We are almost done. 99. Okay, and as you can see now, the backup is completed. Now simply click on done, and we can see that already we have option to restart. We have our date and the hour on which the backup was created at. Okay, so now I can unplug my USB storage. Now let's go back. When it comes to the HONOR suite, we will need a PC and an app to create a backup. I'm gonna show you that later, so no worries. Now let's get back again and let's do the Google backup. Make sure that backup to Google is enabled right in here. Also remember your Google account that you are currently logged in, because if you will want to restore your backup in the future, you will need to be logged in into the same Google account. You can also enable the auto restore below. Alright, now to make a backup, click on Google one. Under the account storage we can see how many free space we got left. Make sure that the backup by Google one is enabled also right in here, and now simply click on backup now. You can see on the bottom of the screen that backupping process has started. Oh, something weird is happening actually. Okay, now under the backup we can see this thin little bar, and when it comes to the opposite edge, it will mean that the backup is finished. So now let's wait until we get 100%. Okay, so now the backupping process has finished, and that's all that we can do using our phone. So now let me show with you how to make a backup using the HONOR suite on your PC. Alright, so now I'm gonna show you how to use the HONOR suite to create a backup. So first we need to download the app, of course, so open up your browser, enter this link that you can see right in here, and click on Windows download or the Mac download. Okay, once you have downloaded it, the file, you will have something like that. Simply click on software, and in here you have the launcher. So we need to install using that app. And once you have installed, you will have the HONOR suite. Simply launch it. And we have our phone. Now, plug your HONOR into your PC. And now we also need to change a few things. So we need to make sure that first click on the file transfer via USB, that we have selected transfer files / Android Auto. There's a chance that when you plug your phone into the PC, it will be charge only. This option will be set. So change it for transfer files / Android Auto. Now also we need to change one thing in the developer settings. So let's click on normal settings first. Now scroll down and click on about phone. Now we need to tap on the build number a few times until we see an information that we are a developer. Then go back and click on system and updates. Now the developer options, and in here we need to scroll down and enable USB debugging right in here. Alright, now on our app, click on USB. Alright, and now we need to type this code in our app. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Okay, then click on connect. Alright, we can see our phone. And now to make a backup, click on that button, copy. Okay, now wait a little bit because this app is scanning for other apps on our phone. Okay, in here we have the photos, music, apps and data and the settings. So simply click on copy. Now in here we need to create a password, and it must contain 8 to 32 digits and contain numbers, great letters and small letters. So simply create your password. And also, if you forget it, you won't be able to restore. So create a password that you won't forget. Alright, in here you just need to repeat the password, and in here you type the hint. Okay, then click on OK. As you can see now the process has started. So now let's wait until we get 100%. It shouldn't take much time because I don't have much data on my phone. Alright, we already have almost 50%. Okay, it's copying currently the apps and the data. Alright, 70. We should be done any second. Okay, 80%. Of course, the loading time of the process depends from how many apps you have on your phone and their size. Okay, 91, we should be near the end. Okay, alright, it's finished. Now simply click on ready right in here, and our backup is now stored in that app. Alright, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.